Hey traders, let's dive in. Want to see how to squeeze profit from every market with just a few clicks using MACD and house bands? So I'm about to show you live trades, how to catch signals for ups and downs, manage risk, and steadily grow your balance. Buckle up, it's gonna be a real ride with proven entries and real numbers on the screen. Alright, here our first trade and I'm going up for 1 minute. And the setup here is pretty clear. As you can see, the price broke through the lower boundary of our indicator. And right here, that boundary started forming again. So the key signal comes from MACD and this line crossover. And crossing the zero line are the main entry signals. House bands, fractals are more of a supporting indicator to help us see the bigger picture and filter out false MACD signals, guys. Alright, as you can see, our first trade closed in profit and $192 on the balance. Now I will look for the next pair for you. Let's not linger on one. See you soon. Okay guys, just a reminder, you can find the latest links to Telegram and to the platform in the description. So we can catch this move too. The trade's already open 1 minute down. So what do we see here? First, a clear price drop, a solid bounce, and the price rejected the upper channel boundaries. So equally important, the green MACD line started dropping. Our MACD bars are red and healing towards the zero line, signaling potential profit. It's a strong impulse and the market should respond. Alright, we nabbed the second trade, now $368 on the balance. Let's find the next setup and I will also share a quick tip on how to scale up. So, here is a great potential for a price drop, but here is the tip I wanted to share. You need to be ready to lose your starting capital, in my case, $100 if you are trying to scale up like this. This kind of scaling needs experience and confidence in every move, guys. If you hesitate, doubt, or jump into shaky trades, there is 99% chance you will fail. So it's super risky, guys. Even I knowing I can do this often, stick to classic risk management and only do this format as a challenge for videos. And as you can see, our trade closed in profit. Alright, this might be our final trade. I would go up here just waiting for this candle to close. Do I think we can open the trade now? There is a strong potential for growth. MACD signal and we're seeing the upper zone of house bands, fractals expanding. So yeah, look, the price is already heating up, which is awesome. To follow up on what I said about confidence, I see the signal. I know how the strategy works and I have probably opened hundreds of trades with it, so I'm confident in my moves. If you're not confident, stick to classic risk management, guys. No more than 5% per trade and set your own limits. Okay, my experiment, as you can see, brought me solid profit once again. I started only with $100 and now the balance is $1,358. That's $1,258 in pure profit. I think that's great note to end on. Okay guys, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. It's such a thrilling one. So challenges like these bring out a ton of emotions for me. I hope for you too. So don't forget to drop your comments, likes, and see you in the next video.